Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce you our latest ZigBee Smart Switch 24 series model. Our smart wall switch is based on the ZigBee 3.0 wireless communication protocol. The wiring is single zero-fire universal, single-fire wiring without the need for additional capacitors, so it is very easy and fast to install. With the gateway, you can control the power on and off of lights, motors and other equipment. You can realize physical button control, voice control, app remote control, timer control and so on. Physical button control. 24Y series switches are made of high-quality flame-retardant PC material, and the key sound is clear and strong. Press it and the light turns on. Mobile app remote control. One app can check the working status of the switch and operate the switch anytime and anywhere. First, connect our switch to the gateway. After recognizing the device on the phone, press the switch and light turns on. There is also a timer switch mode, which can fully control and schedule the time when the smart switch is used to save power waste. For example, it set the lights to turn on after 1 minute, and after 1 minute, the lights are turned on. So here are our main functions of our latest new 24Y series model. If you want to know more details, please feel free to contact us.